How to reduce 5 kg weight in 30 days? Just by walking 1 hour every day, or just by running 1 hour every day, or just by working out 1 hour every day, or anything else, or by reducing salt content in your food, or by having balanced diet in your food, or living direct carbohydrate in your food, or reducing fat content in your food. What is to be done to reduce 5 kg in 30 days? Or you think anything else is required to do? If you run every day 1 hour, you may reduce 1 to 2 kg in a 30 days. If you walk every day 1 hour, you may reduce half kg to 1 kg. If you work out every day 1 hour, you may reduce 1 to 2 kg. Or if you reduce salt content in your food, you may reduce 1 to 2 kg in 30 days. Then what is to be done? Or even if you are taking balanced diet, you may not reduce any weight in 30 days. And even if you are living carbohydrate content in your diet, you may reduce 1 to 2 kg. If you are reducing fat content in your food, that also may reduce 1 to 2 kg in 30 days. Then what magic is to be done to reduce 5 kg in 30 days? Being a student of BSc Nutrition and Dietetics from Directorate of Distance Education, Madurai Kamaraj University, and diploma in DNHE, that is Diploma with Nutrition and Health Education from IGNO. I applied my course content in day-to-day life, and I could reduce 5 kg in 30 days. 1 month back, my weight was 75.90 kg, whereas today my weight is 70.8 kg. So in 30 days, I reduce 5.1 kg. This is not just by running every day 1 hour, or not just by walking every day 1 hour, not by sitting in warm or hot heat or wet heat for half an hour, but or by sitting in dry heat. But I applied many things together to reduce 5 kg in 30 days. First of all, I started walking morning 5 o'clock to 6 o'clock, again in night 10 o'clock to 11 o'clock, and my sleeping time was 11 o'clock to 5 o'clock morning, 6 hours. I started sitting in dry heat as well as wet heat for half an hour. I reduce salt content in my food. I reduce direct carbohydrate content like rice, potato, etc. I try to take carbohydrate content from fruits, either any fruits. They are not only having vitamins, minerals, but also they have some percentage of carbohydrates. I started taking balanced diet, but leaving fat, direct fat content and direct carbohydrate content. Fat, for the fat I try to take nuts, different type of nuts, whereas for carbohydrate I try to take fruits. So fruits was giving me carbohydrate, minerals, vitamins, whereas nuts were giving different minerals, vitamins, fiber, as well as fat, required fat. For proteins I have taken several dals, mix of dals taken, and for minerals, vitamins, etc., fruits and vegetables, but boiled one vegetables, not fried one. So with this combination, again I started sitting in dry heat and wet heat for almost half an hour. I don't have time to work out, so I could not do much in workout. I can walk 1 hour 5 o'clock morning to 6 o'clock morning, and again 10 o'clock to 11 o'clock night. So 2 hours walking and reducing salt content, reducing direct carbohydrate and fats content, and mostly depending on fruits, nuts, dals, because if you are not taking pulses, then you will lose muscles instead of fats. So pulses is very much required, not for losing pulses. I directly reduce glucose content, so that otherwise your glucose will direct converted in glycogen and again to fat. And with this combination of things, I could reduce 5 kg in 30 days. If I would have done workout also, I could have reduced more, but lack of time, I could not work out. So not with the single things, a combination of many things together will, you can achieve your desired goal. And most important, intermittent fasting. I was doing alternative fasting, because alternate fasting will give you detoxing your body, as well as you have to take some fiber content like oats, which also tummy will be full, but you will not get much carbohydrate and fat contents. So this combinations has helped me in reducing 5 kg in 30 days. But reducing weight, it depends on body to body and medical condition of one's body, medical structures, conditions. So you should not follow same plan for yourself. It is to be followed under physician or dietitians recognized by Government of India. Otherwise it may not be helpful for you. It is just I shared how I reduce by following multiple things together every day, and in last 30 days I can reduce my 5 kg 5.1 kg from 75.90 to 70.80, and hoping and to reduce another 5 days 5 kg in another 60 days, and hopefully I will share my experience once I am reaching to 65 kg. Thank you so much. All the very best for watching this video.